This is Motorola Edge 40, and today I would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app that will allow you to make the goal that I've declared at the start of this video real. Since using the default system settings of this phone, you are not able to go any higher than, I guess, 15 or 30 minutes in terms of the screen timeout value. So, well, that's why we are going to use the third-party software. So, for some reason, okay, anyway, so here's the app that we were looking for. Now let's install it real quick. Then you will need to launch the app and make sure that the timeout parameter was set to be at the infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app will be active and will stay active in the background, your screen will not automatically turn itself off. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.